So I recently just did a video with Inkscape, using Inkscape and Revit, and someone was curious to know, how do you create grass in Revit and get that texture like you get in Inkscape 2.7. So I'll show you guys here. Alright, so let's go ahead and just open up Inkscape. And this is a previous project I've worked on. And if you've been a sub to the channel, you've seen me work on this before using TheaRender. And I used a lot of TheaRender, but these days I'm using a lot of Inkscape for work and for, outside of work also. So let's just go ahead and open up a, actually, we're just going to go ahead and take a view. And just go ahead and throw this view there. All right, we're going to use that. And let's open that view up in Inkscape. And it should be view 4, I believe. All right, let's start that. I will have to say, starting off this channel, I did use a lot of TheaRender. But I have become a huge fan of Inkscape. A huge fan, especially because I work so much in Revit. It just works out very well. And I also believe you can get Inkscape in SketchUp, but I love using it within Revit. But let me show you guys how to create that texture in that grass texture. So right now I just have a regular, I don't know, some type of gravel, dirt. All right, let's go ahead and minimize that a little bit. So we have some topography here, right? So we're going to create the material. So what I do is, I'll just go to manage materials, and I'll create a material here. And I'm just going to go ahead and rename this and call it grass new. All right. Now in appearance, or actually in graphics, I'm going to go ahead. So for my foreground, I'm going to pick a pattern, and I want to pick the sand pattern. Okay. And let's just go ahead and make this green. So that green is fine. And we're going to just do this for all of them. Green, green. All right. So go here. So I'll just Google grass texture. Or if you have a website that you go to, feel free to go there. And you can just pick a grass texture. And I think this is the one I picked, but you can pick any one, okay? Any grass texture you want. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click in this image, and on my desktop, I have it saved as grass here. So we'll just bring that in there. See, yeah, it's that same one. It's this one here, the first one, but any one you want, right? So that's in there, boom. So now, and if we open up the Inkscape, you see it's just regular ground, pretty bad texture. Let's just go ahead and go into materials, or let's go into our topography. Let's pick a material for it, and we're gonna click new grass. We want this one, and let's see how it looks in a render. Over here, and as you can see, you get a nice grass texture. Okay, really nice. You see it in Inkscape, it gives you a really nice texture, and you can manipulate this however you want. See, so you have that if you look, I'm trying to get really close to it. So if you look like this thin layer, it gives you that image, but it also creates this texture for you, this grass texture, so you get a really nice realistic look. And if you want to manipulate it any way you want a different color, change the colors here. You want to change sizing and things like that. Just go here, 3 feet. Apply it, see how it looks. You can mess around with it, make it bigger, make it smaller, make it higher, make it taller, however you want to do it. So that's how I create my grass using Revit and Inkscape. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it informative, and thanks for watching.